Hey now, you're a math star, get your game on, go count. Hey now, you're a math star, get your game on, go add. When all that counting is done, we'll be adding sums. How are you, math stars? Well, today we are in module 19.3, and we have been learning about length and height, right? Length, distance from one end to another, and height from top to bottom. So yesterday we talked about longer and shorter. Today we're gonna, so we were doing length, right? Today we're gonna do height, right? We're gonna use these words, taller than, shorter than. Wait a second, we use shorter than for length too. You're right, it can be used both ways, shorter, right? This is my dad, this is me, I'm shorter than my dad. He's taller than me. So we're going to use those words taller than and shorter than. Are you ready? I can compare the heights of two different objects and describe the comparison in a sentence using taller than and shorter than. All right, let's go ahead and birdhouses. You know, there's a nest right outside my door that has a mama bird, and she's laying on her eggs right now. So fun. I wonder if these guys have baby eggs in those bird houses. Maybe so. Let's listen to the story. How will Keisha compare and describe the heights of the birdhouses? Keisha has 2 birdhouses in her yard. She wants to know which birdhouse is taller. How will Keisha compare? Well, she's going to measure first, and I bet she's got a measuring tape or a ruler or something. And she's going to measure. So the red one and the yellow one, let's see. Let's draw. What do you think? Should we draw a line? I'm going to draw a green line right here that measures how tall the yellow one is. Maybe green isn't a good one. Let's just draw a black line. It'll be easier to see. Let's draw to see how tall that is. Good. Now we're going to do one right here to see how tall the red one is. The yellow one is that tall. Here we go. There's the red one. Look at those 2 lines. So do you think the yellow birdhouse is taller or shorter than the red birdhouse? What do you think? And do you think the red birdhouse is taller or smaller? That's not the right word, is it? We don't want to use smaller. We want to use the real math word, which is shorter. Is it taller or shorter? She wants to know which birdhouse is taller. Can you tell her, yellow one or the red one? Which do you think? Can you circle that one for me? Good job. All right. Here we go. The beach. Summer's coming. Listen to the story. Compare the heights of the houses. Circle to show which beach house is shorter. Brandon is looking at a picture of beach houses. He wants to know which beach house is shorter. Do you remember when I'm measuring, I'm going to go ahead and measure these. Can I do a line starting at different spots? I'm going to measure how tall they are. I'm going to measure this one starting here. There we go. And I'm going to measure this one starting here. Can I do that? No, you can't. You have to make the line start at the same spot, right? They're on the same level. So let's see here. This house is that tall, purple house, and the blue house, green house, and a more turquoise house is that tall. Which house is shorter? Purple house is fun, huh? Okay, can you circle which one is shorter? Circle to show which house is shorter. You can pause this while you do that, while you figure that out. All right, here we go. Oh, bird baths. Look at the bird baths. Use the word taller than or shorter than to compare and describe heights. Taller than, shorter than. Say it. Taller than, shorter than. You say it. Good. Okay, circle the taller bird bath. Which one's taller? Go ahead and circle it. Now, mark an X on this shorter bird bath. And again, why is it important to have the two bird baths starting at the same starting points to compare their heights? Do you remember what I said? Maybe I said it yesterday. If I want to see who's taller, me and my dad, and he stands on the floor and I stand up on a box, I might be taller than him, but am I really taller than him? If we were both standing on the floor on the same spot, would I be taller than him? No. But if I stood on a box, but hey, look, I'm taller than him. Does that count? No, that's not right. So it's really important we start at the same point so we can get a really good measurement, okay? And accurate. Remember, that's a big word, the correct measurement. All right, go ahead and circle the taller one and put an X on the smaller one. Oh, it's on your own. Lighthouses on your own. So that means you need to go find your homeschool teacher, right? And have them read the question to you. But also, dear ones, you need to go back and show all of your work to the rest, or for the rest of it, to show your mom or your homeschool teacher what you know about taller than and shorter than. And you can tell her the math wizard is shorter than her dad too. All right, have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.